You are struggling with Italian, and the ancient Greeks knew exactly why. I've helped hundreds of learners speak Italian naturally by using these 3 simple ancient Greek speaking acts, so in this video I'm going to break down 3 powerful Greek learning methods that may be ancient but still work better than most modern tools, and show you how to use them to master Italian faster with less frustration. Because here is the truth. Language apps still treat you like a machine, but the Greeks, they knew you are something else entirely. A storyteller, a mover, and a thinker. So let's start with the storyteller. Nowadays, most Italian learners try to memorize isolated words, but your brain isn't designed for that. It's designed for stories. The ancient Greeks didn't sit and study, they performed. Plato's academy used dialogues, roleplay, and drama to train memory and thinking. They made language physical, emotional, and alive. Modern neuroscience backs this up. When you engage multiple senses and simulate situations, retention skyrockets. So what can you do about it? Stop just reading Italian. Start performing it. Read dialogues aloud, use your hands, record yourself like an actor. Pick an Italian scene from a TV show or a movie, mute it, reenact the emotions in your voice. Drama helps memory. But storytelling isn't enough on its own. You are also a mover, so let's move around. You also need a place to store those words, not a list, but a mental word. The Greeks had that too. To remember long speeches, Greek orators used loci, memory palaces. They imagined walking through familiar places, placing vivid, strange images in each room. Why did it work? Because your hippocampus, the memory center of your brain, is wired for space and imagination. This isn't ancient trivia. It's the same technique used today by memory champions and neuroscientists. So try this. Build your own Italian memory palace. Your kitchen for cooking verbs. Your bathroom, reflexive actions. Make it visual, weird, unforgettable. Tonight's challenge. Pick 5 new verbs and place them in 5 rooms of your house. Walk through it. Speak them out loud. You'll be shocked at how well they stick. Now let's go deeper. A storyteller, a mover, but you also need to learn Italian like a true Greek. Same as the other two. You are a thinker. Passive learners never reach fluency. Listening isn't enough. You need to think in the language. Even if you remember the words, it's not enough. You need to think in Italian, not just repeat phrases. Socrates knew this. He didn't give answers. He asked questions. Students had to speak, reformulate, clarify, just like real conversation. It's called active recall, and it's the bedrock of fluency. The Socratic method forces your brain to retrieve and rebuild knowledge. That creates stronger neural pathways and confidence. So build your own Socratic loop. Ask yourself a question in Italian. Perché lo sto facendo? And answer it. Then ask another one. Keep going. Out loud. No script, no filter. You are not just learning Italian, you are thinking in it. These ancient methods were not just for philosophers. Now they are backed by science, and they work better than most modern apps. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian fast without struggle, watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!